stop? JFK. Love bug. Love you. Thanks again, sir. Caicos. Oh, that's a mug shot there. Wow. That's a shot. Good morning. Am I so happy to see you guys?
We're happy to see you.
Oh, why thank you.
Welcome aboard.
Today's our first full day, Club Med. Got in a little late yesterday. Well, really, the room wasn't really ready until late yesterday. So today we'll get a lay of the land. Right there, love bug? Heading to breakfast and hitting the beach. Oh, and we gotta walk by the gym and watch all these people on their bicycles. That's what it's all about. Vacay. A clip you get at the dollar store for 50 cents. Okay, officially second full day.
Day 3.
Well, day 3, but it's the second full day. Oh, there's the gym rats again. Mother effers. Yeah, we were out dancing last night. We danced our tail off. Had a lot of fun. See what's in store for today. Oh, Pablo is not going for it. Makes me do these kind of shit. So we got screwed. It was the old book trick. We thought we had a spot under the cabana. They split and left the book on the chair.